Uh, Today we are going to start exercise 4.2. In the last session we had completed up to exercise 4.1 and the basic of the fourth chapter. Okay, now we have in this session we have to find the different solution of given equation in two variable. So you had solved the sum related to this second question or this exercise, but again I'm going to explain. But one more thing which I have to tell you, that before starting the first question I'll explain second, because if you understand the second one, it would be easy to you that for understanding first question. So before starting first, I'm going to explain the second question of this chapter. So what is the second question? See, the second one is write four solution of each of the following equation. We have to find the four solution, means we have to find four values of the given equation. Okay, let us take first question. First question is 2x plus y equals to 7. The question we have, okay, so the question is 2x plus y equals to 7 and we have to find its four solution. Okay, for finding four solutions, see, there is a method which you have to use in this one, and for finding the solution you have to take four different values according to you. It is up to you, whatever you want you can take instead of x or instead of y. See, I'm solving. So the solution of this equation is, first we'll take we'll take x equals to 0. So instead of x or instead of y, whatever you want you can take, it is up to you. Okay, now see, let 2 instead of x I'm taking 0 plus y I have, so equals to, we have what, 7. So 2 into 0 becomes 0. You understand, y equals to, will get what, 7. So the first solution we have what, y equals to 7. We have taken x equals to 0 and we got y equals to 7. Second I'm taking, now we are taking x equals to 1. So instead of, as I told you that instead of x or instead of y, whatever you want you can take. So I'm taking x equals to 1. So 2 into, instead of x I'm taking 1 plus y equals to what, 7. So when we solve it we'll get what, y equals to 7 and minus 2 will get what, 5. So first one we have taken x equals to 0, we got y equals to 7, and second one I have taken x equals to 1 and then I got value of y 5. Now for third solution, again I am taking, instead of x I'm taking minus 1. Okay, so 2 as it is, instead of a will take minus 1 plus y equals to what, 7. So 2 minus 1 will have what, minus 2. Y would be the 7 minus 2, when it shifted it would be changed. So y would be then 9. So third time I have taken x equals to minus 1, then I got y equals to what, 9. Last value, instead of x now I'm taking 2. So 2 into, instead of this x I'm taking 2 plus y equals to what, 7. So 2 into 2 become 4 plus y equals to 7. For finding y I need to shift 4. So y would be what, 7 minus 4, 3. So these are the four solution of the given equation. So this method, it can be used, and whatever the values you want you can take instead of any variable. You can put one value and then you will get the second one. Okay. So this was the solution of first part of the second question. Remaining question you have to solve, and if you got any problem you can see the PDF file which I have provided there. Okay, now we're starting the first question. The first question is, so here we have question number first. First question is, which one of the following is true and why? So we have three options. First, a unique solution. Second one, only two solution and third one infinitely many solution. Okay, so why I told you that I'll explain first question after second, because there is a reason. Then now I think you would understand why I have taken it after second one. Now see, when we solve the equation y equals to 3x plus 5, we'll get if instead of x I put any value. Okay, suppose let I take instead of x I'm taking 1, so value of 5 would be what, 3 into 1 plus 5. So then I'll get what, 3 into 1, 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, means instead of x whatever I put I'll get the value of y. Means how many times I put the value of x, then I'll get value of y. Means if I put only once the value of x, then I'll get one value of y. If I put twice value of x, I'll get the second value of y. If I put third time, fourth time and so on, then I'll get the values of y. So the third option of this equation in this question would be the correct, because whatever we put instead of x will get the value of y. Okay, so there is not a unique solution, there is not a two solution, there are so many solution of any equation can be possible. Okay, that's why I told that I'll explain this first question after the second. Clear? Now we have third question. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y equals to 4, and which are not. So in this question, what we have to do, we have been given an equation x minus 2y equals to 4, and we have to check whether these are the solution of given equation or not. Okay, so how would we solve it? Let us see. So the equation is x minus 2y equals to 4, and we have to check whether this given values of xy would be the solution of given equation or not. Okay, so for solving it, for checking it, first I'll take first one as value of x, and second one would be the value of y. So instead of x I'll put 0, and instead of y I'll put what, 2. So in this equation, instead of x I'm taking 0, minus 2 I have as it is, and instead of y I'll take what, 2 equals to 4. So 0 would be the 0, and 2 into 2 become minus 4, and here we have plus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 are not same, means these are not the solution of given equation. See, if I get minus 4 equals to minus 4 or plus 4 equals to plus 4, means both sides if I get similar, then it would be the solution of the given equation. But here I didn't get the similar solution, that's why it is not the solution of given equation. So remaining question you have to solve by using this method. If you get any problem, you go through the PDF we have provided. Okay, now we'll take the last question of this exercise. So the fourth question is, find the value of k if x equals to 2, y equals to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals to k. So see, in third question we have seen that if any values are in the solution of given equation, means it will be satisfy the given equation. Now see, here we have x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. These are the solution. These are there has been given that x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is the solution of given equation, and we have to find what the value of k. So let us see. So instead of x I'm going to take 2, and instead of y I'll take what, 1. So put x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 in that given equation. So equation we have 2x plus 3y equals to k. So 2 as it is, at the place of x I'll take 2, plus as it is 3 as it is, instead of y I'll take what, 1 equals to k. We have 2 into 2 become 4, and 3 multiplied 1 it become 3 equals to k. So finally we'll get value of k would be what, 7. So this was the solution of the fourth question, and it was the last question of exercise 4.2. So this was the explanation of exercise 4.2. In our next session we might be discussing exercise 4.3, and if it is possible we'll complete the fourth chapter. Thank you.